Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 Core Ultra driver. So open any browsers to search as it is on the Google search box you can see, and go to this first URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab and then go to this tab. So you can see this is all the driver, and if you see go to another. So if you show this window like that, so this is automatic. So you just click to download now, so it will detect automatically required driver to your system. And this is manual, so just click to manual, and then you can see this is your separate driver. Okay, then click to audio. You can see this is audio driver. Just click to download. This is, you can size, and this is latest. After that you can see this. Now this is start downloading one process. You can see this is downloading, then click to setup. Then yes, okay, I accept, then next, select the install, then next, install. Now you can see this is extract data and also installing. Then guys click to OK and then finished.